Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. Today, find out how the price of Ethereum has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI, divergence and MACD show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Ethereum hourly time frame, the price moved quickly to the downside with around 4.8% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 237. The volume was also high, showing that this move was strong and the sellers are taking over. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 224, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 238 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Looking at the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 41, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Looking for divergence in the hourly time frame, contrary to expectations, following the bearing divergence, the price went up and then quickly back down. Jumping to the hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. But it's expected for the price to remain the same for some time because the MACD histogram shows that the momentum at the moment is shifting upwards. You should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price only peaked above the 20 SMA, but then once again came down. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. At the moment, the price is between the 50 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 230, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 240 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. For longer price development, the daily time frames should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Looking at the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 49, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. On the lookout for divergences in the 3-hourly time frame, there was a bearish divergence and the price already went down. Moving to the 3-hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. The momentum is currently indecisive, according to the MACD histogram. This means you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish, due to the expected shifting momentum. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could hold support or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 214. Looking at the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 61, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Searching for divergence in the daily time frame, there is a bearish divergence, which means the price could go down from now or at least consolidate for some time. Moving to the daily MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the downside, and it could be expected that the price will consolidate, and it is better to wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bearish. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.